Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be opening up a Panini Contenders Football Mega Box. I'm really excited for this video. I was able to get my hands on one of these Contenders Mega Boxes. There's a lot of cards in here. There's 14 packs per box and 8 cards per pack, which equates to 112 cards in a single box. It's a lot of cards. You get 1 autograph and 2 mem cards in this box, as opposed to the blaster box where you only get the 1 autograph or rookie ticket swatch. So really excited about this one. There's 14 inserts per box, so 1 per pack. Hopefully we can get some rookie ticket wild cards or something in here. That'd be really nice. Anyways, let's get into the pack opening. Before I get into the packs, if you're new to the channel, please remember to like or subscribe. It really helps out the channel moving forward. Would really appreciate it. There's our packs in there. Definitely lots of packs to open today. Got an empty box. Put that off to the side. Put our packs up here. Alright, let's get into this first pack. First card, we got Alvin Kamara, Todd Gurley, Jalen Ramsey, Tom Brady. We have Sam Darnold. We have DJ Moore, Ryan Fitzpatrick, and Chase Young, Rookie of the Year card. Let's go ahead and get into pack number 2. Got a Josh Allen, Preston Williams, Dwayne Haskins, Mike Evans, Phillip Lindsay, Josh Jacobs, Tyler Boyd. We got an MVP Contenders, Ryan Tannehill. Let's get into pack number 3. This one definitely feels a little thicker than the other ones. Maybe we got our first mem card. Looks like we do. Let's see what we can get. Drew Lock, Tre'Davious White, got a Josh Allen, got a Tyrann Mathieu, got Brandon Cooks, Tyler Lockett, and our mem card. Got a Clyde Edwards-Helaire, that's nice right there. Rookie ticket right there, very nice. And we ended off with a Bo Jackson. Pretty good pack right there. Let's get into the next pack. We got lots of packs to rip through today. Got Devontae Adams, DK Metcalf, Odell Beckham, Daniel Jones, Kirk Cousins, Patrick Mahomes going to his 2nd Super Bowl in a row, Marlon Mack, and a Jonathan Taylor Rookie of the Year. Kind of don't like the rookie card designs for this product. Kind of look like inserts to me instead of a proper base card. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you like this product? Do you not like it so much? Do you prefer Prism? Do you prefer Optic that's coming out soon? Can't wait for that. Got Lamar Jackson, AJ Brown, Kerryon Johnson, AJ Green, Cam Newton, Kyler Murray, Joey Bosa, and a legendary Eric Dickerson. So far, not too bad of a mega, I guess. Got that Clyde Edwards. Hopefully our second mem card and our auto will be nice. Hopefully we don't get points. Hopefully I'm not jinxing that. Got Terry McLaurin, Matthew Stafford, recently requested to be traded from Detroit actually. Fairly happy about that myself, so we can get a fresh restart. Jimmy Garoppolo, who also might be moving on from the 49ers this offseason. Really crazy for all of the quarterbacks that could be changing teams. Khalil Mack, Nick Chubb, Saquon Barkley, Darius Leonard. We got a round numbers, Jeff Okudah and Chase Young. Pick number 2 and 3 in this past draft. Really nice card right there. Next pack up, we got Carson Wentz, David Montgomery, Drew Brees, Julio Jones, Chris Godwin, Cortland Sutton, Miles Sanders, and another round numbers of Cam Akers and Van Jefferson. 2 very nice rookies for the Rams right there. Alright, next pack coming up. Got a Michael Thomas, Marquise Brown, Aaron Donald, James Conner, Mari Cooper, Derek Carr, Christian McCaffrey, and an MVP Ben Roethlisberger. Really surprising how the Steelers got bounced in the first round of the playoffs this year by the Browns, of all teams. Wonder if it's going to be Big Ben's last year. Looks like we might have something in here, not too sure. We got Keenan Allen, Rob Gronkowski, Melvin Gordon, Joe Mixon, Julian Edelman, Aaron Rodgers, and we have a Denzel Mims. There's our other rookie ticket right there. Not as good as Clyde Edwards, but still nice to get those rookie mem cards. Put that over here. Got an MVP Baker Mayfield. Speaking of the guy who took down the Steelers. Let's get in the next pack. We still got to get our guaranteed auto. Well, not guaranteed, I guess. It's on average, but hopefully it's an auto. We'll have to wait and see. Derrick Henry, Jamal Adams, Stephon Diggs, Gardner Minshew, Adam Thielen, Travis Kelce, Deshaun Watson, and we have a Tua Rookie of the Year. Really nice card right there. Always nice to get one of the top quarterbacks of any draft class, especially this one. Nice looking rookie card right there. Only got 4 more packs and still haven't hit our auto. Got Adrian Peterson, Aaron Jones, Nick Bosa, Russell Wilson, Baker Mayfield, got a DeAndre Hopkins. I think this might be our auto. Got a Geno Atkins. That is going to be our auto. That's a really nice looking card right there. Auto to 199. It is a defensive lineman. Not really sure how many people would be coveting him, but definitely a really nice looking card to get. Gotta take out some new sleeves for that. Get this card sleeved up. Always nice to get a serial numbered autograph. Put that to the side. We got a Kyler Murray MVP. Get into our last few packs here. Got Alshon Jeffrey, DJ Chark, Ryan Tannehill, Marvin Jones, TJ Watt, Ezekiel Elliott, Sam Darnold, and a Joe Burrow Rookie of the Year. There we go. Got 2 of the top 3 quarterbacks from this past class. Definitely nice to get that. Kind of wish one of those 2 would have been the auto, but can't really pack everything you want. I'll take 2 of those quarterbacks. Only 2 more packs to go. Myles Garrett, Sterling Shepard, Mark Ingram, Jared Goff, Phillip Rivers, recently retired, Ben Roethlisberger, Dak Prescott, and a Rookie of the Year, Isaiah Simmons. Alright, last pack coming up right here. Got Richard Sherman, Roquan Smith, Alvin Kamara, DJ Moore, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Tyrann Mathieu, Brandon Cooks, and an MVP Contenders Ezekiel Elliott to end off the pack opening. A little bit of a review. We got definitely 2 nice hits right here with Joe Burrow and Tua, Rookie of the Year. 2 very nice cards to get. Our mem cards were Denzel Mims and Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Definitely pretty excited about that one. And we got the Geno Atkins autograph, numbered to 199. Very nice right there. Anyways, that's going to do it for the pack opening. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share my videos for future pack openings. Anyways, I'm out.